डियर स्टूडेंट्स, AI फॉर ऑल लेक्चर्स की श्रृंखला के इस अगले वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम लोग चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार से AI टूल्स का प्रयोग किया जाता है मल्टीमीडिया प्रोडक्शंस में, और इसमें जो हम लोगों का विशेष फोकस रहेगा वो रहेगा वीडियो क्रिएशन पे, पॉडकास्ट प्रोडक्शंस पे और प्रेजेंटेशन डिज़ाइंस में। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं अपनी जर्नी। इससे पहले कि हम शुरू करें, हमको कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में जान लेना चाहिए, जैसे कि मल्टीमीडिया क्या है। मल्टीमीडिया प्रोडक्शन इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट्स यूजिंग अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टेक्स्ट, ऑडियोज, वीडियोज, ग्राफिक्स एंड एनिमेशंस. The rise of AI has significantly transformed these production methods, making them more accessible and efficient. जो मल्टीमीडिया प्रोडक्शन है वह कुछ टेक्स्ट हो गया या फिर जो हमारे ऑडियो क्लिप्स हो गए या वीडियो हो गया या ग्राफिक हो गया या एनिमेशन को क्रिएट करने का है, और जिस प्रकार से AI का प्रभाव बढ़ रहा है उसके द्वारा इन सारी चीज़ों में काफ़ी ज़्यादा मदद मिल रही है, इनको क्रिएट करने में काफ़ी मदद मिल रही है। सो लेट अस start with asking a question: what is multimedia production? Multimedia production is the process of creating content that combines multiple forms of media such as text, audios, videos, graphics and animation. It involves combining these different elements in a cohesive way to convey a message, tell a story or engage an audience. Multimedia production can be applied in various fields including entertainment, marketing, education and business. What are the different forms of the multimedia? The different forms of the multimedia are video. Video is the usual and audio medium that can include animation, live footage, graphics, voiceovers and music. Video production is widely used for marketing, education, entertainment and social media contents. Other form is podcast, a form of audio media typically in episodic format. इसमें जो पॉडकास्ट होता है इनमें एपिसोड्स का फॉर्मेट हो वो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरी टेलिंग, इंटरव्यूज, डिस्कशंस एंड मोर. Podcasts often target specific niche and can be educational, also entertaining or informative. The next form that we have is presentation. Presentation is a combination of the visuals such as जो अभी हम अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, which includes images, charts, graphs and text, often supported by the voice over or the live narration. Live narration जैसे कि हम कर रहे हैं, या फिर वॉइस ओवर जो कि मशीन सस्टेंस के द्वारा भी किया जा सकता है, यूज्ड इन द बिजनेस मीटिंग, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस और एजुकेशनल सेटिंग टू प्रेजेंट इंफॉर्मेशन क्लियरली एंड engaging. What is the role of the AI in enhancing the production? Artificial intelligence tools are transforming multimedia production by streamlining the process, enhancing creativity and reducing the time and efforts required for the high quality content creation. These tools help in automating repetitive tasks, improve efficiency and even creating contents automatically in some cases. AI is used in the video production. AI can automate the editing process such as trimming clips, adjusting lighting, stabilizing shaky footage and even generating scripts. In the same way, when we look at the podcast production, AI can transcribe the speech, enhance audio quality or even generate voiceover. It can help with the post-production tasks such as noise reduction and audio mixing. Other form that we were talking about, the presentation, let's see how AI can be helpful in it. The AI tool can suggest layout, template and even content based on the theme of the presentation. Some tools offer automatic design assistance to ensure that slides looks professional and cohesive. Let's move to the next slide. What is the importance of multimedia in content creation? Visuals and audio contents often have more impact than traditional text. AI allows for high quality production with less time and efforts, making multimedia creation more effective for the communication and outreach. The engagement with the audience becomes better when we use multimedia instead of the text only. इट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज रिटेंशन एंड द शेयरेबिलिटी। इसके माध्यम से जो हमारा ऑडियंस है उसके दिमाग में हम बने रहते हैं, और यह जो लोगों की शेयर करने की जो प्रवृत्ति है उसको भी इनक्रेज करती है, उसको भी बढ़ावा देती है। इट इज़ ऑल्सो एसेंशियल फॉर द मार्केटिंग, एजुकेशन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। मल्टीमीडिया जो मार्केट है वह मार्केटिंग में, शिक्षा में और मनोरंजन के क्षेत्र में एक अहम स्थान रखती है। Overview of AI in multimedia production. AI is revolutionizing the way multimedia is created, from automatic video editing to the voice synthesis. It accelerates production time, reduces cost, and enhances creativity with smart features like voice to text and auto cropping. AI is a tool for the automation. AI also powers editing tools, and AI also helps in the content creation. Let us dig deep how AI impacts these. One of the biggest advantage of AI in multimedia production is automation. AI tool can handle repetitive and time consuming tasks, allowing content creators to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of their work. Like a few examples of the AI use of the AI in the multimedia are as follows: that it can help in video editing. AI can automatically cut and trim raw footage, adjust lighting and the sound, and even choose the best shot based on the certain criteria which are prompted by the user himself. Other thing is audio editing. AI tool can detect and remove background noises, normalize audio levels, and enhance speech clarity. Other aspect is content generation. For instance, AI tools like Chat GPT can assist in generating scripts or writing dialogues, while AI in the video production tool can automatically generate captions or subtitles. Next point is AI powered editing tools. So AI powered editing tools are specifically designed to help creators by using machine learning algorithm to analyze and edit content intelligently. These tools can improve the quality of the multimedia content without the need of deep technical expertise. Some of the examples are that of the video editing with the help of the AI is that it can automate the trimming and slicing of the footage. It can also help in color grading, transition, and even scene recognition. Few tools which are helpful in achieving this very specific video editing objective are Adobe Premiere Pro, Auto Reframe. Now the next is audio editing. Audio editing is also done in the same way as the video editing is done. And then we also have graphic design and animation. AI tools like Runway and DALL-E can assist in creating visual effects, generating graphics, and even creating animation. These tools analyze the content and context to suggest the best visual element or automatically generate the visuals on the text prompt. How AI can assist in the content creation, which is our third point. It is phase. AI tools can assist with the script writing, generating content ideas, and even creating storyboards. For example, the tools like Chat GPT can generate scripts and dialogue for the videos and podcasts, while AI powered platform like Storybird can help in creating detailed storyboard based on the script and the content. Another thing that it helps is in the production. During the production, AI can use to automate tasks like the camera work with a tool that stabilizes the footage and synchronize voiceovers and animated, and also helps in making the animated characters. Then comes the post production. After content is created, AI can assist with the editing, adding effects, and even distributing contents across the different platforms. So these are the few tasks that can be managed with the help of the AI in the multimedia production. Let's move to the next slide. AI tools be Premiere Pro, Auto Reframe, Magisto, and Runway uses machine learning to automate tedious editing tasks. These tools analyze video content and make smart decisions like cutting out unnecessary clips or adjusting the aspect ratio. So the tools that we basically use are as mentioned, and the task that they perform is AI video editing. The other task is AI based motion graphics and animation. And the third thing is, in this slide we will learn about the AI tools for the video production. So the AI tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Auto Reframe, Magisto and Runway uses machine learning to automate tedious editing tasks. These tools analyze video content and make smart decisions like cutting out unnecessary clips or adjusting for the aspect ratio. So what we have in here is AI video editing tools. The second thing that we have here is AI based motion graphics and the animation creation. And the third thing that we have here is assistance in the script writing. So in short, AI tools are making video production more accessible and efficient. With the AI driven video editing, motion graphics, animation and the script writing tools, creators can produce professional quality content faster and with the less efforts. AI removes the technical barriers that might have previously limited creators, empowering them to focus on their storyline and creative ideas. Now, what we have next is popular AI editing tools. The popular AI video editing tools leverage AI to make video editing faster and easier. It can automatically trim, edit and enhance video footage, saving time for the creators. Few of the examples are again the same: Adobe Premiere Pro, then we have Magisto and we have Runway, which helps us in conducting our pre-production, production and post-production work with the help of the AI. What next we have is the use of AI in the video scripting and the storyboarding. Tools like ChatGPT and pseudowriter.com generate scripts, making it easier to get started with the video production. AI can also assist in storyboarding by analyzing key elements and proposing visual sequences. So what main things that are that we get with the assistance of the AI is script generation, storyboard creation using the AI, and AI in enhancing creative flow. Now we come to the next segment of this presentation, that is creating podcasts with the AI tools. AI tools like Descript and Adobe Audition helps podcasters with automatic transcription, audio enhancement and even AI generated voice. These tools help streamline podcast production, making it faster and more efficient. What AI is used for voice synthesis. It also has the ability to convert speech to text for easy transcription, and it also uses its ability to edit tools or say AI driven audio. We also have editing tools which help us in editing audio. Let's move to the next slide. And here we are going to have a look at the AI tools for the podcasting. Descript allow us to edit audio as if they were editing text, making podcasts editing seamless. Podcast and the main one is Descript. It helps in audio transcription and editing. The another one is Podcastle. It AI generates podcasts from the text. And third is Otter AI. It automates transcription of the podcast content. In this slide, we are going to discuss about AI powered audio editing. AI driven noise editing tools can automatically remove background noises, improve sound quality, and even modify voices to match the desired tone or emotion, making podcasts sound professional with the minimal efforts. सो नॉइस रिडक्शन, जब भी हम लोग बात करते हैं आसपास की बहुत सारी आवाज़ें होती हैं जो कि हमारे वीडियो और पॉडकास्ट में आ जाती हैं, एआई के माध्यम से उनको कैंसिल किया जा सकता है। जो ऑडियो इन्हेंसमेंट फीचर है इसका भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है और इसके माध्यम से जो हमारी ऑडियो है उसकी टोन हो गया, उसकी स्पीड हो गई, उसकी क्लियरिटी होगी, इस सबको भी इन्हेंस किया सकता है और इसका उपयोग वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन और वॉइस सिंथेसिस में भी किया जा सकता है। AI tools for the podcasting. Now, this slide focuses on AI tools specifically designed to enhance the podcast production. Podcasts have become a powerful medium for the content creators, educators, and the businesses to reach audience through audio. With the help of the AI tools, the podcast production process has been streamlined, allowing creators to focus more on delivering quality content and less on the technical task. AI also assists with the transcripts, audio enhancement, content generation, making podcast creation easier, faster, and more professional. What, how AI helps us in all these tasks which we have mentioned? Then transcribing podcast episodes, that is converting audio into text. It can be time consuming and tedious task, but AI powered transcription tools have made the process much easier. These tools can automate transcribe or transcribe audio, saving creators hours of the manual transcription work. Automatic transcription, how does it look? AI tools like the Otter AI, Descript, and Sonix uses machine learning to transcribe spoken words into written text quickly and accurately. This is especially useful for the podcasters who need transcriptions for their show notes, website contents, and SEO purpose. These AI tools are capable of identifying different speakers and can even add time stamps, making it easier to follow along with the audio. What other thing that we have is translation and subtitles. Many transcription tools also offer translations, enabling podcasters to reach a global audience. For example, Sonix allows you to generate translation for your podcast episodes, expanding the potential audience and accessibility. Other thing that it helps is with the searchable content. AI generated transcriptions are easily searchable, allowing podcast creators to quickly locate specific topics or quotes within the episodes. The feature is particularly helpful when podcasters want to repurpose content or create highlights. Then the other important aspect is voice enhancement and the editing. When we talk about the voice enhancement, then we have noise cancellation. Tools like the Adobe, we have noise reduction. Tools like Adobe Audition and Descript use AI to reduce background noise, hum, and static, ensuring that the voice remains clear and crisp. These tools can automatically detect unwanted sounds and remove them without affecting the speaker's voice quality. Other thing is speech enhancement. AI can enhance voice clarity, removing echoes and normalizing volume levels across the podcast. These This helps avoiding jarring volume fluctuations and ensure a smoother listening experience. The few which are being used are the few tools which are being used for this purpose are Auphonic and Descripts. It also automates audio editing. AI tool can help automatically edit out awkward pauses, fillers such as and the mistake in the recording. This significantly speeds up editing process. Descript again is an example allowing podcasters to edit audio by editing the transcribed text, making it extremely effectively to cut, copy, and paste and trim the audio. It also helps in content generation and idea development. So, our platform like BuzzSumo and Answer the Public can suggest trending topics and frequently asked questions related to the podcast. These tools also help podcasters to resonate with the audience and also help them in attracting new listeners. Then, script writing is also one of the major work that can be eased with the help of the AI, and the tools like Chat GPT can be used to generate podcast scripts or outlines based on the specific topic. You can input a prompt and AI can create detailed scripts, dialogue, and the questions for the interviewers. Other aspect that we have is episode planning. AI can also help and organize and structure podcast episodes, creating a coherent flow. It can suggest an introduction, main discussion points, guest questions, and a conclusion, providing podcasters with a solid framework for their episodes. Some AI tools can also help you find potential guests by analyzing social media and podcast platforms to identify thought leaders and influencers in the particular industry. So you see that AI tools, they have a very strong approach, or so you can see that the AI can help a lot in generating content and editing of the podcast. Now let's move to our another section, that is the presentation. So how so in this slide we are going to learn about how AI is being used in the presentation design, and this is especially essential when you are creating a business page, an educational presentation, or a personal project. AI powered tools have revolutionized how presentations are made by automating designs, improving aesthetics, and enhancing the overall visual appeals. AI can also take off the pressure of the creator by assisting in generating professional and cohesive slide designs, suggesting contents, enhancing visuals, making presentations more beautiful and engaging. How does AI assist in the designing a presentation? AI design tools use advanced algorithm to assist in creating presentation that look professional. Even if the user does not have design experience, these tools take your input and topic and the purpose and automatically generate usually very appealing slides. How does it help? It has a design consistency. AI tools like Design Escape, Visme analyze the content of the presentation and automatically suggest layout, color scheme, fonts, and design elements that are visually cohesive. Other thing is smart layout suggestion based on the content you input, such as text, image, and data. AI can suggest the best layouts. For instance, if you have the graph or the chart, the AI tool might recommend a layout that displays it clearly while aligning with the rest of the presentation aesthetics. Now it also helps in producing dynamic. It also helps in producing dynamic designs. AI design assistants can adjust the layout dramatically to ensure that each slide is optimized for the readability and visual appeal. For example, the PowerPoint designer automatically suggests design idea for the slide based on their content, such as adding an image to break up large text blocks or adjusting the alignment to create a clean professional looks. In this slide, we learn about the tools which are helpful in creating the presentations. These tools include Canva, the beautiful AI, Microsoft PowerPoint Designer. These have simplified the process of the creation of visually stunning presentations by automating many elements of the design process. So let's talk about this design process one by one. First one is automatic design suggestions. These tools use AI to automatically suggest layout, color scheme, fonts, and images that are visually appealing and foreground. For example, Canva's Magic Resize automatically adjusts your design to fit into the format that is like social media posts, flyers, presentation, ensuring a consistency uh, across various mediums. Then it can also help designing from the sketch. AI tools can also help creating presentation from the scratch by analyzing your content such as text and images and suggest designs that are best represented by the message. For example, Beautiful.ai provides an intuitive platform that automatically adjusts and optimizes slides based on your content, your input, your text and images, and the AI will generate a clean professional looking layout without you having to worry about the alignment, spacing और डिज़ाइन एलिमेंट्स. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इज़ वेस्टेड जब हम लोग अपना प्रेजेंटेशन बनाते हैं कि उसमें किस प्रकार से हम स्पेसिंग करें, फ़ॉन्ट चूज़ करें, फ़ॉन्ट का साइज़ रीसाइज करें, सारी चीज़ों सारी स्लाइड्स पे वही एक तरीके से होना चाहिए. तो इसके लिए जो है वो हमारी जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है वो हमारी काफ़ी मदद कर रही है. It also it can optimize presentation layout by selecting the most appropriate template and adjusting the content displacement for the best visual flow. ये template को recommend कर सकती है. AI tool analyzes the type of the content you are working with, like such as business, education, marketing, and automatically suggest template that matches the tone and the style of your presentation. Then we also have dynamic layout adjustment. As you add content or edit content, AI automatically adapts the layout to maintain the aesthetically pleasing designs. Then this also has consistency across the slides. So maintaining consistency is also one of the important aspects that we have to take care of, and AI ensures that design elements such as font, style, color scheme, and background pattern. Sorry, AI also is when consistency is also one of the major concerns that we face during creating our presentations. So AI ensures that design elements such as font style, color schemes, and background patterns remain consistent throughout the presentation, giving it a cohesive look and feel. This reduces the manual effort. This reduces the manual effort required to ensure that the presentation looks professional across all the slides. Then we also have this slide in which we are going to talk about creating visuals for the multimedia with the AI. Then basically smart text optimization. AI tool can also help in reducing excessive text from on the slide by suggesting shorter, more impactful wordings. For example, Beautiful AI and Canva can identify lengthy text blocks and suggest how to make the content more concise without losing its meaning, ensuring that each slide conveys key information efficiently. Another thing that is being done with the help of the AI is image and video recommendation. AI powered platform can suggest relevant images and video that matches the content of your slide. For instance, Canva uses AI to recommend stock images, illustrations, and the video clips based on the keywords or topic you enter. This feature also helps to maintain the visual aspect of your presentation, making it more engaging with the audience. Other thing is data visualization. AI tool can help the complex data into the simple and visually appealing chart, graphs, and the infographics. Platforms like Beautiful.ai and Canva leverage AI to recommend the best way to visualize your data, whether it is a pie chart, bar graph, or flow diagram. It makes easier for the audience to digest complex information quickly and clearly. Other thing that we get help from AI with is content alignment. AI also ensures that the texts are properly aligned, spaced, improve readability and the clarity. AI also helps in the audio and the visual integration. AI for the content personalization. AI can analyze user data and preferences, tailoring the videos, podcast, and presentation to the specific audience. This helps create content that responds with the viewer, leading to the better engagement and the performance. So AI can also be used for the customization of the multimedia contents, and it also personalizes the target audience and enhances the engagement through the AI. When we talk about the use of AI driven analytics for the audience engagement, then we say audience sentimental analysis. Some AI platform offer the ability to analyze how the audience respond to the different type of the content. Mentimeter and Slido, for example, use AI to gauge audience engagement and reaction in the real time through polls, quizzes, and surveys. These tools can analyze sentiments and offer insight into how the audience is responding to the specific part of the presentation. Other thing is engagement metrics, and it can track viewers engagement during the visual presentation. And another aspect that we talk about is personalized content recommendation. AI can also provide suggestions on tailoring presentation for the different audiences. By analyzing past presentation and feedback, AI tool can offer recommendation on the content adjustment to improve the quality of the engagement for the different groups. Now in this slide we learn about AI and automation of the content production. AI reduces the need for the manual labors in the content creation by automating tasks such as editing, color correction, and sound optimization. This leads to the faster turnaround time and greater efficiency. It streamlines the repetitive tasks, automation in content editing, and reducing manual efforts with the AI. So, the tools like the ChatGTP, Jarvis are capable of creating written content for social media posts, blogs, options, and ad copies. These tools use natural language processing algorithm to generate text that is both engaging and relevant to the audience. Users can input a brief idea or the topic, and the AI will generating content can put a brief idea, and the AI will generate several options for the post that fits the desired tone, style, and the audience preference. The content ideation for the social media managers who struggles to coming up with a fresh content idea, AI tool like BuzzSumo answering the public help in generating trending topics based on the keywords, search queries, etc. Then we also have content curation. AI can also assist with curating content from various sources by recommending articles, videos, and images that aligns with the brand message or the industry trends. What are the challenges which are being faced by the multimedia production? While AI can automate the many aspects of the multimedia production, it cannot replace human creativity or judgment. Moreover, ethical concerns regarding deep fake data privacy and copyright need to be considered when using AI tools. ethical concerns इन AI जनरेटेड कंटेंट कई बार हम लोग देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, समझते हैं कि बहुत सारा फेक डाटा आ रहा है जो कि AI के माध्यम से बनाया जा रहा है, तो यह एक एथिकल कंसर्न्स को रेज करता है। और जो हमारी ह्यूमन क्रिएटिविटी है वह कहीं ना कहीं अगर AI के ऊपर आश्रित हो जाएगी तो वह भी कमज़ोर होगी। तो यह भी एक बहुत बड़ा एस्पेक्ट है जिस पे हमें ध्यान देने की आवश्यकता है। और इसकी जो कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क है, ये मुंडेन और रूटीन वर्क को तो आसानी से कर सकता है, लेकिन जो कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क है उसको आसानी से करने में इसे कठिनाई होती है। तो यह चैलेंजेस हैं जो कि AI के द्वारा मल्टीमीडिया प्रोडक्शन में फेस किए जाते हैं। अब जो फ्यूचर ट्रेंड है, द फ्यूचर ऑफ द AI इन मल्टीमीडिया प्रोडक्शन विल सी मोर एडवांस टूल्स दैट इंटीग्रेट एफर्टलेसली इन क्रिएटिव वर्क फ्लो, making high quality content creation accessible to everyone regardless of skill level. Growing sophistication of the AI tools that will also happen in the near future. More seamless integration with the creative workflow. जैसे जैसे कि टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप होगी और ज़्यादा जो वर्क फ्लो है वो सीमलेस होता चला जाएगा, उसमें जो इंटीग्रेशन होगा वो आसान होता चला जाएगा। और जो AI का रोल है इन डीमार्केटाइजेशन ऑफ द कंटेंट क्रिएशन, जो डेमोक्रेटाइजेशन होगा कि चीज़ें सबके पास सुलभ होंगी, वह भी इसका एक भविष्य दिखता है। Now, what are the best practice that for the use of multimedia production? To maximize the benefit of AI in multimedia production, it is important to choose the right tool, use them as complement to the human creativity, and stay mindful of ethical considerations such as copyright and content authenticity. For this, we need to choose the right tool for the task and combine AI with the human creativity. Don't let it be the master of the creative process. Let it just be the tool of the creative process, and also ensure that AI is being used ethically and responsibly. Now, in the conclusion, I would like to thank you all for your patience, and I hope that this session will help you in performing the task with the help of the AI. Thank you. Thanks a lot.